Hello there, welcome to the course. I'm so excited to have you here. My name is Shandip Banerjee and I'll be your instructor for this course. I'm an IT professional with 20 years of experience in technology consulting and trainings. I'm working in a multinational company and supporting multiple customers across the globe in this field. In this course, I would like to share my knowledge with you and we will learn something new together. You are checking this course to learn something new about MS Excel and I'm going to help you there. What can you expect in this course? In this course, I have covered some of the Excel tips which will help you to get your work done in a smarter way. Maybe you are already using Excel, but using these tips, you will be able to get those things done in a more smarter and efficient way. Whenever you worked in Excel, you may have thought some of the time that is there any better way to get this thing done? I'm hopeful you will be getting some of the answers from this course. Starting with basic tips, I have covered some of the moderate and advanced level tips also so that you will be getting a comprehensive coverage irrespective of your experience level with MS Excel. Once you will be inside the course, you don't need to follow any specific order. You can pick any of the tip as per the table of content and start watching the video. I have structured this course in this way to avoid becoming a monotonous one. I have also uploaded multiple workbooks with formulas and data using which I recorded the course. You can download those resources in the next video and you will be also able to practice along with me whenever I will be demonstrating those specific tips. Because sometimes what happens, just watching a video doesn't help. If you can practice along with the video, then it will be much more useful. Download all those resources and make use of those. I would like to thank you again for choosing this course and let us get into the next video to learn first tip of this course.